Hello and welcome back, everyone. It is your girl Cassandra Olivia, and if you have not already hit that subscribe button, today's video is sponsored by a company called Ronniehair. I will attach the information down below. They sent me a wig that is a Swiss lace HD unit. I'm going to put the specs in the description box down below, but I want you guys to hit that subscribe and like button if you have not already. Welcome to the family. Thank you so much for watching my videos. So in the packaging, I'm just showing you guys the wig along with some accessories, a wig cap, and a hair tie that they sent me. Just typical hair packaging, which I thought was super cute, straight to the point. And I'm just showing you guys how the unit looks. They did send me a bob unit. I will tag the information down below as far as the lace and the density and the length of the hair. And this does have a fake scalp also. So not only do you have the fake scalp, but you also have the Swiss lace at the top. And I'm just showing you guys how the hairline looks. It's pre-customized and pre-plucked, and because you have the fake scalp, it already gives you the scalp illusion without you having to bleach or do anything additional. And it has about 2 inches of just lace that does have hair on it, so I was going to go ahead and just bleach that part only. So what I'm going to do first is show you guys how it looks on the inside. They have the 3 standard combs in the front, the 1 comb in the back, as well as the adjustable straps that come on the unit, and then also the adjustable strap that's included, this black strap. Oh my goodness. So anyway, I'm showing you guys how the hairline looks on my hand. This is with no makeup, straight out of the packaging, and it looks super bomb. I don't have to do too much to it. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is go ahead and pluck the lace, and then after I'm done, I'm going to bleach it. Actually, I'm lying. I'm going to bleach it first, and then I'm going to pluck the lace. I don't have to pluck too much because, again, like I said, it's fake scalp. So I'm going to go ahead and send what they put in the box for me. They sent me 3 different types of lace. They sent me transparent lace, they sent me Swiss lace, and then they sent me a normal medium brown lace. So what they requested that I do is to spray all 3 laces with some Got2b glue on the back of my arm, just to show you guys the difference for anybody that has any questions. Ronnie, I thought this was super awesome that you guys did. What they did was send me 3 different types of lace. Not only did they do that so I can compare it, but they also labeled all 3, which I thought was super dope for anybody that has any questions. So the front one on the top right is regular brown, the center is the Swiss lace, and then all the way on the left is the transparent lace. And I just sprayed it with Got2b. Disregard that little corner transparent that didn't get any Got2b on it. But just so you guys can see, the one in the center is super melted onto my skin, and none of these have any foundation or product or lace tint. This is straight out of the packaging, so I'm definitely feeling this lace. It was very high quality, and it was very delicate to work with. The only thing when you're working with Swiss lace, you have to make sure that you're super careful so that way you do not damage it. So now I'm just going ahead in those 2 inches in the front that I told you that's lace in front of the natural scalp, and I'm just going to go ahead and let this developer and lightener sit on for about 30 minutes, and then I'm going to pluck the unit. So here you see me, I'm plucking the unit. It's already been lightened enough to my liking. I shampooed it about 3 times for about 5 minutes, and now I'm just going in and customizing the hairline a little bit further, being careful not to go too far into the hairline because I don't want that fake scalp to show. So here I have my friend Arami, aka High Profile Hair. You guys know I rave about her lashes all the time. She's about her business, super professional, so I had to plug her in, and I hit her up because she's super gorgeous and I wanted to use a nice model for this install. So I am going to be gluing this unit down. So what I decided to do was just braid her hair straight back after she's already been shampooed, washed, and deep conditioned. And now I'm just going to go ahead and start to sew her braids down. Now you guys know, as always, I will link all of the information down in the description box below for Ronniehair, and that way you guys can have all the information that you need for this exact wig. So because this unit has straps in the back and an adjustable strap that they added in for extra security, I'm just fitting on, making sure that this is nice and snug. And then once it's to my liking, I'm just going to make sure that it's sitting right on both sides, so if she decides to pull it back, there's no lace or none of her natural hair showing. And then I'm going to proceed to cut the lace, and then also to lay the frontal So I use just a little bit of hairspray, doesn't matter what kind you want to use, or gel. You just want to make sure that the hair is all slicked back, nice and dry. And now I'm going in with the Bold Hold Active. I'm just applying one thin layer to this, only because we did about 3 videos back to back and I did not want this to be on super long. And I'm just going to smooth that out nice and thin, wait for it to start dry and clear, and then I'm just going to pull the Swiss Lace super tight and snug, but not too tight to where you're ripping it. Just applying a little bit of tension so that way when I go to lay it onto the glue, it's nice and snug. There's no bumps or lumps. And I apologize, I am struggling through this tutorial right now. I don't know what's going on with me. It's like a day off and I don't know, I'm all over the place. So I do apologize, but I'm just gonna go ahead and slick the other side down. You guys know already how I do. I don't do my voiceovers over, so if I mess up, that's what it is. We're all human, we all make mistakes. I'll be effing up all the time. So this is me, raw, uncut, unedited as always. So I'm just putting the lace on both sides. Now that it's sat there and it's nice and dry, I'm going to proceed to cut the lace. And then after I cut the lace, I am going to use my hot comb to press this down and put her part in. And then I will just proceed to put some curls in her hair. While I'm thinking about it, I'm just going to describe the difference between Swiss lace and HD and transparent lace. So with the Swiss lace, you have a very soft and thin grid, and the grids are really small, so it's super stretchy, super flexible, but you just have to be more careful because Swiss lace is super delicate and it can tear very easily, especially when you're plucking. So make sure that you're super delicate. But Swiss lace, when applied correctly, it can blend into your skin seamlessly without any tint or any dye. So literally, I put this unit on. I did not put any makeup on this whatsoever. I wanted you guys to truly see how this lace looks. The other things about the Swiss lace, it's invisible and undetectable. It blends on literally all skin tones. It's more breathable and comfortable for a protective style. It's thinner, softer, and lightweight. It is a super durable lace, and it reduces the friction on the natural hair. So I'm going to finish pressing and installing her. I am going to add a couple layers just because this is a blunt cut unit. And then I'm going to go in with my T3 curling iron, which I will also link down below if you guys want to know. And I'm just going to curl her hair and then run my fingers through it and give you guys a final look to show you guys what we came up with. So Narami is just over here sitting so pretty. I just love her so much. She is such a vibe. So shout out to you, girl. And I'm just going in now with my iron, throwing in some big curls. And then after I'm finished, I'm just going to use my hands and rake through the curls. So again, I will link everything down below. I will show you guys the difference between the laces, and I will answer any questions that you guys have. Please let me know if you have worked with Swiss lace or HD lace or transparent lace. I apologize. Somebody was trying to call me. I had to hit decline real quick. But let me know what lace you guys prefer to work on with your clients. I'm curious to know. And me personally, I love Swiss lace, but I do prefer transparent just because it goes with every skin tone, especially very fair or light skinned women. But Swiss lace is my second up. It's just super delicate, so I just feel like you have to be super careful. If you have a client that's very heavy-handed, then Swiss lace might not be for them. So now she's all installed. I'm just going to comb her hair out and restyle it. Please let me know if you guys like this or if you're feeling it. She was giving like First Lady. We were in here geeking it up, and she just let me do my thing. This install altogether took me about 25 minutes from start to finish. All I did was shampoo, throw some straight backs, and pop this on. Of course, if you take more time, it'll look super detailed, but this is pretty much the gist of the style that we have. Thank you so much for watching, and I will tag Ronniehair information down below. I hope everybody enjoys these videos, and I will see you guys soon. Look at how this is melted. First of all, look at the melt. No makeup. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.